friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. I do share cross-sex lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to grow your natural hair. So I'm so enthusiastic about growing our crowns which our God gave us. We need to love it, embrace it, and style it. So you're so welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I moisturize my hair, for growth. Of course, you know what? I'm in a challenge of 6 months, so we have clocked 3 months. So this is one of the steps that I do to keep my hair, growing, strengthened, and moisturized for almost a week. So now we are going to use our Clove leave-in conditioner. In fact, I did formulate this leave-in conditioner. I will link the video in the description box below so that you can check it out. And I'm also going to use our stimulating herbal hair growth oil. I did share how to make this stimulating herbal hair growth oil for massive hair growth, for thinning hair, scalp issues, if you have alopecia. So I'll link it in the description box below. And this actually has added some clove oil, which is so good. It stimulates hair growth. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now, because you don't want to be missing such videos. Leave-in conditioners, which are also called no rinse out or leave on, are used after you wash your hair. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and before you style it. Unlike traditional conditioners, they are not washed out. Leave-in conditioner provide extra moisture to the hair, protects it from damage, and help detangle your hair. Nearly every hair type, curly, straight, natural, color treated, can benefit from the use of leave-in conditioners, but they are particularly helpful if you have dry hair or dry, damaged, or frizz hair. Leave-in conditioner provides the most benefit for people with dry hair, as it can provide the necessary moisture. Dry hair can eventually lead to damage, frizziness, and breakage. So frizzy hair is usually very dry. Even if you take great care of your natural hair or whatever state your hair is in, you may find that it tends to be frizzier. If you live in a hot or humid or very dry climate, or spend a lot of time in the sun, leave-in conditioner can help combat frizziness by adding moisture to the hair and helping to smooth it out. As leave-in conditioner coats the hair, it can also protect it from the heat of sun and harsh environments. It's also good for damaged hair. Hair gets, easily damaged by using hot styling tools, bleach, dyes, chemical strengthening, or perm. If you routinely pull it back into ponytails or braid, these practices actually may damage the hair shaft, making hair dry, frizzy, and dull. Leave-in conditioners provides a protective effect, routine applied before styling or using heat tools. It also adds moisture to the hair. It is also good for fine hair, as leave-ins tend to be lighter. You find that regular conditioner actually may weigh down your hair, making it flat and heavy. Leave-in conditioners are very light and actually tend to be lighter weight, but it still provides the extra moisture and shine that the hair need. It's also good for coarse hair or very dry hair. And oil is good because a moisturizing oil will actually penetrate the hair. So the oil is actually infused with penetrating oils and herbs which promote hair growth. I'll link it in the description box below. Actually, I did a video on that. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. To my 315 subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for subscribing, and for watching my videos. In as much as we want to grow, in as much as we love sharing, we want this channel to grow so that we can reach a bigger audience. Yes, and comment in the section below what kind of products you use to prevent frizz or to moisturize your hair on wash day. So this oil actually is ideal for dry and thirsty hair. The oil will not only protect the hair cuticle from damage, but also nourish the hair from inside. The cuticle layers of the hair can be easily damaged by manipulation, styling tools, chemical treatments, or environmental factors. Applying oil to your hair will seal the hair and prevent and protect it from these damaging effects. It can also be used as a frizz control and add shine. Oil also acts as hair lubrication, which facilitates the detangling process and decreases the no number of split ends, and hair friction helps to locking the moisture, and this will actually last for almost a week, like without moisturizing your hair in between. Yes, so this is very important, and like moisturizing your hair with a leave-in and oil will actually go a long way. You can even use a butter if you so wish. But because you know what, I'm in a challenge of 6 months, I don't want my hair to be weighed down. So I use lighter products which will actually not weigh down our hair. And to prevent, build up, because we don't want our hair to be weighed whereby we'd want to wash it, because I don't usually find it useful like to wash my hair while in a protective hairstyle. I don't just like how our hair feels, but if you're okay with that, you can actually do that. So at this point, like our hair was tangled. That's some tangles coming out there. Yes, and always make sure that you work in sections, because it will help actually to coat every hair strand with whatever product you are using. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back for videos every day, and you can kindly share our videos. Comment in the section below. Like I really love interacting. Yes, so like I want my hair to grow, and I've been doing all I can. And of course, prayer has been one of my priority, because the Bible says, "Without me, you cannot do anything." So like in between washes, I only use hair mist. Like I've done quite a number of videos on hair mist. You can check those mists out, or I'll link them in the description box below so that you can check them out, which actually promotes hair growth. So like I'll continue working in sections until we are done with our whole hair. So at this point, I'm done. I'm just, now getting our aloe to apply on our edges. Like aloe has been working well for my edges, friends. In fact, I did a video on aloe, how aloe can promote, your edges or thinning hair and bald patches. I'll link all those videos in the description box below. So like I love using aloe. Aloe doesn't need in my routine. So like I apply aloe vera at least 3 times per week on my edges, and I don't rinse it out. Of course, some naturals they do rinse it out, but I don't rinse it out until my next wash day. So because I'm in a challenge, like I do all I can, like before putting in twist protective hairstyle, that is without using any added hair, with just my hair, I make sure that I do all the treatments. So I done a pre-shampoo, I done, I detangled my hair, I done a deep conditioner, and now we are moisturizing. So I'll link all those videos in the description box below. So if you're trying to grow out your medium natural hair, then this channel is for you. Or you have long hair and you want it to stay moisturized and looking healthier, then this channel is for you. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. God bless you. See you in our next video.